Hello guys, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon, ipakita ko sa inyo ang aking isa sa mga daily routine ko sa aking aso. Diba nanganak yung alaga ko? Ipakita ko sa inyo kung paano sila magdidi at saka i-handfeed ko sila guys. Ito ang aking napakagandang alagang aso. Yan siya guys. Oh. Yes. Yan ang alaga. Cherry. This one is Cherry. Tapos guys, gawa tayo ng, kasi yung ano niya, yung lima sila, yung ano nga to, yung nanay, hindi magkasya yung gata, yung ano niya, yung gatas. Kaya ito ang ano niya, ito ang pinapainom ko sa kanila guys. I-handfeed ko. Colostrum milk. Guys. Lagyan lang natin kasi maliit pa sila. Ito guys, kunti lang. Lagyan kasi kung i-handfeed. Yes. Yes, my dibi-dibi. And my cherry. Guys. Kunti lang. Ayan. Ito guys, Bulgaria. Ito. Tingnan nila guys. Kailangan kasi mainit pa. Kailangan warm siya. Hello? Ha? Oh, you never heard an hula. Wow, only because I think when we come in, she stand. Just now only she is her. It's not because when we live very fast of me. I think just now only. Not only because we go. No. It's okay na kaya. Hindi, it's okay. No lah. It's not very not very loud. One puppy only. Because you don't know also we going out because this one stand lah. The mother stand lah. Ha? Tapos tingnan. Pakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano mag-handfeed ako ng aking alagang aso. Sit down and then observe me baby how to feed. Okay. Then you ayak. Guys. Hindi ko baka yeah. Then you stand there. You hold my phone there. Hindi ka guys. We try natin kung mainit pa siya. Okay na. Ito sila guys. Because the mommy lah. The mommy stand lah. Cherry, just now you stand right. That's why lah your baby cry, huh? Huh? Hello guys. They need their mother, that's why. Ang wait ng mga alaga ko. She. They need a mother, that's why lah. They go out very fast on me. Yes, now. Give me tissue. Tissue guys. Ang gila ito guys. Nahanapid ko talaga ito sila. Ito una. Kasi kulang ang gatas ng nanay. Kaya kailangan talaga i-handfeed. Akala nyo guys, ano pa lang ito sila? 3 days. 3 days or 4 days. Pero ang laki na nila. Yes. Yes. Galing. Galing kong sumayaw. At least siguro mainit pa. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Because mommy's milk is not enough. Okay. This is the other. Drink a lot. Number. This is the other. Cute. This one very greedy. She greedy. She every time hungry. Every time is hungry. Every time is hungry. See? Guys, this is how to hand feed my babies. You know, they are 3 days old babies. Akala niyo ba guys, gabi-gabi, dito ako natutulog sa tabi nila. Tapos every 1 hour, hinahan feed ko talaga ito. Ayan. Masakit na nga ang ulo ko ngayon. Kasi kulang ang tulog, ha? Every hour mas hand feed. Mommy need rest also. 24 hours, ha? Feeding 5 of you, no, ha? Must treatment. Then, mommy can rest, okay? Okay. This one like to complain. This one every time hungry, see? Oh my goodness. This one hungry. Every time hungry. Every time he's hungry. Yes. Para makapagpahinga naman yung nanay nyo. Mommy every time is tired, ha? Tired. Yes, Cherry. I'm helping you, baby. No, I know you are tired feeding babies, okay? Hey, guys. Okay. Why you like to complain? Why you like to complain? You like also. You want also? You want milk also? Later I give you, okay? Later I give you, okay? But if baby don't want to drink already, then the extra is yours, okay, baby? Ganito kalagahan guys yung mga aso ko. Akala nyo? Pag may baby, may papi ako, medyo mahirap. But it's okay. Must love them. Right na. Parang mga tao din sila guys. Parang mga bata. May mga trip water man ito sila. Kung magsakit siya nila, painumin mo. Yes. Busog na sila. Super busog na, busog na. Ay, 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 dapat kulit. Kulit. This one drink a lot. This one drink a lot. Oh, this one drink a lot, no, huh? Not already. Later, we'll have. Yan na guys. Ito na mga alaga ko guys. Busog na sila. Tingnan niyo sila. This is my baby. See? Yan ang nanay niya guys. Oh. Very pretty. Okay. Drink. Sobra iba lang sa nanay. Okay, drink. Yan lang guys. See? Hope you enjoy watching my babies. Hi. Thank you for supporting me guys. Love you. God bless us all. Thank you. Please continue support me. Please subscribe. Ang kasama ko, tinuturuan ko siya. Ayan, Marcia. You know, how old is she? She's 24 years old only. No? She's still a baby. Yan lang guys, yan ang trabaho namin dito. Okay. Please subscribe, share, comment, and don't forget to press the notification bell button para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong mga videos. Thank you guys. Love you all. Bye-bye.